I set this new thing for myself. I'm like, you know what, I'm not just gonna go anywhere, and if I do go out, I'm gonna make sure I look my best. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. I'm really excited. 2 months ago, let me tell you guys what happened to me before we can get into this video. This video is gonna be all about me getting ready, you know, because I have a day party to go to and I haven't been out for a while, so I wanted to get ready. I was like, about 2 months ago, my face went from right to left. My face broke out so bad. Like right now it looks good right now. Like I'm so happy to be in front of the camera. I had one just got here last night and it's red here, but anyway, apart from that, my face was so bad. I cannot even show you guys the before. Like it was so bad. I went to a dermatologist and they end up putting me on Accutane. When he first said Accutane, and I'm just like, what? You were about to put me on Accutane? Because my face was so bad, especially here. It was like painful. It was really painful. So I have been on it now for a month, and the first week while I was on it, my face broke out a lot on this side. This side it didn't break out, but it was breaking out more on this side. And oh my god, I never want that to happen to me again. I don't want that to happen to me ever again. Like I was just stuck in the house. I didn't feel like getting dressed to go anywhere, because if you wear makeup, like, you know, your acne is showing through the makeup and you don't even feel nice. My skin looks better than before. I'm telling you guys, my skin was not it was not looking good at all. I'm feeling so confident now. Like, you know, my skin is breathing. It's not 100% right yet, but I am happy. So this is how my hair is looking. My hair is so thick inside. Like it's really thick. As you can see, I'm sitting on the floor. Like I'm comfortable more like this, and I think I'm going to start sitting on the floor like this most of the time if I have to do hair, because I'm really comfortable sitting here. But yeah, my hair is wash and it feels so good. Like, oh my god, look at this. Like it feels so nice and it's so clean. I took my time and I washed it, and then now it's time to braid. I don't know how I'm gonna braid his hair. Like I really don't know how I'm gonna braid his hair, but we will see. Okay. This is how it's looking. I'm tired. I'm really tired, but it's looking pretty good. It's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. Like my wig is gonna be so flat, like flat. Like I'm looking at my face right now and wow. Yeah. And then this pimple just came on last night. So I gotta like wash that area and stuff like that. And then my lip been really dry lately because of the Accutane. But so far, I haven't had any like bad experience with it. The only thing is I noticed I'm eating a lot, and the first day I took it, my stomach was hurting. And then like the first week, like, you know, I was having a lot of acne. That was about it. But apart from that, I'm not having any bad symptoms. Yes, and my lip do get dry, but it doesn't get dry to the extent like, you know, it's really dry. I just always have to put a Vaseline on it, so you know. But apart from that, my experience on Accutane is pretty okay. Right now I'm on 16, so I think he probably might put me on like 20 next. and then we'll see what happens. But so far, I'm liking it. I'm happy that I got on it. But anyways, let's finish this up. Okay, so I'm all done right now. This is how my hair is looking. I did pretty good. Look at this. Like, for a short hair, I think I did well. But yeah, so I'm proud of myself. But it's so funny. I found a lot of gray hair in my hair. Like, I found some up here and I found some down here. I'm just like, since when I started getting gray hair? Like, this is crazy, but it looks good. My wig is gonna be so flat. It's gonna be so lay. It's gonna be so nice. But yeah, I'm gonna flat iron the hair. I'm excited. I haven't been out in a while, so I'm outside. I'm outside. I changed a lot about myself now, like a lot, and which I'm proud of myself. Like the friends that I have around me, it's just people that I have around me. I'm just, yeah, I'm just in a different zone, a different mood. I don't even know the word, but yeah, I'm very, very happy, and yes.
All right, so right here now, I'm just gonna start doing my makeup. I put on the wigs. It was very easy. I'm gonna have more videos showing you guys how I put on my wig, but I'm just about to do like a brown smoky eye, like a simple look, nothing too traumatic because the hair is like doing too much. So I decided to go for like a nice brown smoky look. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. You guys can watch the full video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And I hope you guys like this video because I think this is like my first time doing like a for get ready with me video, and I love it. Like, I love everything about this video. I'm so proud of myself. I am growing every single day and I'm glad to be back. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because you're going to be seeing more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.